So let's demonstrate the VC plus, volume control plus, or pressure regulated volume control that we were talking about in the last two videos. Okay, the trigger is going to be similar. We said this is a hybrid of volume control and pressure control, taking the good thing from this and this. So the trigger going to be the same, AC trigger, and it's either flow or pressure trigger, and here it's a flow trigger, it's AC. The target is pressure target. And as we explained in the last two videos, that the initial breath usually given as volume control, flow target, and then to deliver this set tidal volume. The initial test breath will tell us how much pressure needed to deliver the set tidal volume. Then we'll use that pressure and switch to pressure target using that pressure. And then the ventilator keeps going up and down in this pressure target by usually 3 centimeter H2O to keep the set tidal volume, which is the things that we took from volume control. So we took set tidal volume, here set inspiratory pressure. The cycle, as you see here, inspiratory time. So you have to provide tidal volume and then have to provide inspiratory time directly, like pressure control, or by adjusting the IE ratio. That means if you have indirectly set the inspiratory time and the cycle. So, and this belong to pressure control. So the cycle and the target similar to pressure control, except the initial test breath where it's used volume control breath, and it took the fixed tidal volume from the volume control. And as you see, the advantages of this, you make sure you don't have to worry about the peak inspiratory pressure, the barotrauma, and you don't have to worry about the volutrauma from a large tidal volume. Again, the ventilator will keep using the computer to adjust up and down. One thing you don't see here, but you need to set initially when you put the patient on pressure regulated volume control, is the maximum pressure or inspiratory pressure, the maximum target here, usually 35 to 40. Don't go above 40 centimeter H2O. The ventilator usually use this cutoff, said okay, I know my limit. If I need to go up on the pressure to maintain the tidal volume, my limit is usually 5 centimeter less than the maximum set by the ventilator. So if this is 40, the ventilator will go up to 35 and stop, will not go beyond that. If it's 35, will go usually to 30 and will not go beyond that. So you don't have to worry about that the ventilator will keep going up and up and up to maintain this tidal volume. At the end, there is a limit. Even if the ventilator is unable to deliver this set tidal volume, it will not exceed this maximum pressure. So that's usually what pressure regulated volume control, or VC plus, seems pretty ideal, right?